All right, good morning, good morning. It's your boy Trust My Levels. Got some thunder and lightning in the background down here. But anyway, it might be a thunderous day. Let's see what happens with SPX. We'll see what happens with the futures. Let's see what's going on. So just looking at these levels here, just looking at, what's going on with the futures right now. Matter of fact, I think I forgot to adjust this, but it's fine. We'll keep these until market open. So right now I'm looking at that gap. So we got a gap. And if we gap down, of course, the profit box from Wednesday started at 42.61. It started at 42.61 from Wednesday, the same exact thing, that we were looking at on Wednesday and Thursday, same levels from Wednesday and Thursday there, 42.61. The middle of the box was somewhere around here in 42.55, and then a little bit close to this area was the end of the profit box from Thursday. Excuse me. So now you got 42.49 is what we're looking at right now. 42.43 and 42.37 is the profit box that I'm looking for it to come get into, and then potentially test the gap. But remember, on Fridays we have the phenomenon of pinning. Okay, so look up pinning, options pinning. On Fridays, the heavily traded, let's say we were looking at the gamma exposure for SPY or gamma exposure for X, Y, and Z, or the highly traded options. Today's what am I doing? Today is the options expiration. Getting all tongue tied over here. Today is option expiration for this week. So you look at those that have the highest trading volume, the highest OI, and see if the phenomenon where they go and they try to get the price to that area and they stay in that area. But we don't know. Today we don't have any big economic events, stuff that happened in the world. Of course, there's nuclear stuff that's going on. That could be an issue. But overall, we don't have too much really going on right now that we're really, really worried about. Remember, we have the gap from yesterday, still has a slight little bit on it. So again, 42.49. Let me move this up to the 5-minute chart, see what we got. All right. So let me pull that one up. Well, look at that. We're going to get an open right here, and we're opening at 42.58. Cool. So again, 42.49 is what I'm looking at. We got a gap in between here. So, come down here, this 42.49, even if it doesn't, if it tries to defend it, if it defends that gap, that's cool. We got options on the other side too, 42.97. So we ready, whichever way it goes. So, but again, I'm looking for this to come down and tap 42.49. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Those are the targets. So let's get it. I'll holler at y'all. Just be patient, let it do its thing. And even if it goes through those levels, we got, matter of fact, when we talk about those, we have broad informations directly below at 42.37. We have I think this is a 2-day, I believe. We have a monthly, and we have a couple weeklies right below that. So we have some strong looking levels right below that. There's a 4-hour broad information right here. So right above the gap, we have another broad information, and we have some other ones up here way above 42.97. I don't really expect this to start pushing all the way up there, but if we do, again, we are ready. We got levels everywhere, okay? And this is, again, why us as option traders put these broad informations on the chart, because I need to know exactly where the potential hesitation. I'm looking at the Fibonacci retracements because it tells me where the computer algorithms are potentially taking the price, and they hitting sometimes, what I'm saying? They hitting most of the time. So, hey, I'm never going to give these up. Learned these in 2013 with the futures, never giving them up. So, again, make everything your own. Do the research, go find it, and let's get it. Let's see what happens. Have a good day. Have a good trading day. And remember, practice your risk management, okay? Practice that risk management, because you want to make it to the next trading day. All right. I'll let y'all later.